Hey guys, I'm standing here at San Jose State University in San Jose, California. It was established in 1857, considered to be the first public university in the West Coast. Now let's go and explore this university, which is also my school.
Now let's start the history. SJSU was originally established in 1857 as the Means Evening Normal School in San Francisco, founded by George W. Means. It provided continuing education for grade school teachers in the city. In 1862, by the act of the California Legislature, Means Evening Normal School became the California State Normal School and graduated 54 women from a 3-year program. In the late 1860s, the school wanted to move to a different location. As Principal William Thomas Luckey noted in a December 1869 report, a new building was needed. In the best interest of the school and the pupils attending will be promoted by locating where there is more quiet and fewer temptations. Several cities attempted to get the school and offered a variety of enticements. San Jose invited the students and the teachers, about 190 people, to San Jose in December 1869 to look at possible locations for the school. They provided train passes to the teachers and students. The state legislature selected San Jose as the new home for the California State Normal School. The Washington Square site was donated by the city of San Jose, and the cornerstone of the new school building was laid on October 20, 1870, where the campus remains to this day. That building was completed in 1871, and the students and faculty moved from San Francisco to San Jose. The original San Jose campus consisted of several rectangular wooden buildings with a central grass quadrangle. The buildings were destroyed by fire in 1880 and were replaced by interconnected stone and masonry structures of roughly the same configuration in 1881. A school bell was forged in 1881 and still graces the campus, inscribed with the words California State Normal School, AD 1881. It would sound on special occasions until 1946, when the college obtained new chimes, but the bell is still associated with various student traditions and rituals. In August 1882, a southern branch campus of the California State Normal School opened in Los Angeles, which later became UCLA. The southern branch campus remained under administrative control of the San Jose campus until 1887. Following the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, the 1881 buildings were declared unsafe. It was torn down when an aftershock of magnitude that was predicted to destroy the buildings occurred, and no damage was observed. Accordingly, demolition was stopped, and the portions of the buildings still standing were subsequently transformed into 4 halls: Tower Hall, Morris Daly Auditorium, Washington Square Hall, and the Dwight Bensel Hall. These 4 structures remain standing to this day and are the oldest buildings on campus. In 1921, the California State Normal School changed its name to the State Teachers College at San Jose. In 1935, the State Teachers College became the California State Colleges, and the school's name was changed again, this time to the San Jose State College. In October 1968, 2 San Jose State students, Tommy Smith and John Carlos, staged a protest by raising their fist during the ceremonies conferring medals at the Olympic Games in Mexico City. Their silent protest for human rights is seen around the world and reviled by many, but supported by SJSC President Clark. In 1972, upon meeting criteria established by the Board of Trustees and the Coordinating Council for Higher Education, SJSC was granted university status and the name was changed to California State University, San Jose. Finally, in 1974, the California legislature voted to change the school's name to San Jose State University. Now let's walk around the campus and watch a clip of my graduation at the end of the video.
I'm 15 for a moment, caught in between 10 and 20, and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. I'm 22 for a moment, and she feels better than ever, and we're on fire, making our way back from Mars. 15, there's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose. 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you've only got 100 years to live. I'm 33 for a moment, I'm still a man, but you see I'm a they, a kid on the way, then a family on my mind. I'm 45 for a moment, the sea is high and I'm heading into a crisis, chasing the years of my life. 15, there's still time for you, time to buy and time to lose yourself within a morning star. 15, I'm alright with you. 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you've only got 100 years to live. Half the time goes by and suddenly you're wise. Another blink of an eye, 67 is gone, the sun is getting high, we're moving on. I'm 99 for a moment, dying for just another moment, and I'm just dreaming, counting the ways to where you are. 15, there's still time for you. 22, I feel it too. 33, you're on your way. Every day's a new day, yeah. Time for you, time to buy and time to choose. At 15, there's never a wish better than this, when you've only got 100 years to live.
Julia mo eh, no?
Oh, anong luya? Tingnan mo na, mami mo, magal eh.
So guys, this wraps up our exploration of San Jose State University. Till next time guys, bye!
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on, guys, hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to share.